Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what is background and when it will be executed? Let me answer. Background is one of the Gherkin language keywords that we can use in Cucumber projects. And when this background keyword will be executed, before every scenario. Okay, what we generally do in real time is, for example, there is a feature file containing multiple scenarios, and in that multiple scenarios of the feature file, there are some prerequisite common steps, okay, which are common, and the two prerequisite steps which are in the beginning of the scenarios. Such common prerequisite steps we move under the background keyword, okay, and we'll remove this prerequisite common steps from all the other scenarios, to remove the duplication and all. When you run that feature file, first the common prerequisite steps under the background keyword will be running before every scenario of that particular feature file. Let me show you practically. So for example, here, this is a project, Cucumber related project. And here there is one of the feature file known as such.feature file. And this particular step, given user opens the application, is part of every scenario. Okay, this is the first step of this scenario. This is the first step of this scenario. And this is the same first step of this scenario. First common prerequisite step. It's a prerequisite means in the beginning only. It's not at the end or something. Okay, this step comes in the first position. Okay, in the beginning positions. Such kind of common prerequisite steps across multiple scenarios can be separated and can be put under a keyword known as background keyword. Okay, background is a Gherkin language keyword. So when you run this feature file, what will happen? First, this background related step will run, then scenario will run, scenario steps will run. Then before the second scenario runs, again, the step under the background keyword will run, and then the scenario will run. Steps under scenario will run. Then the step under the background keyword will run, and the steps under the scenario will run. Okay, like that. So what is the use? What is the purpose? You don't have to write or mention this line in every scenario, right? So if I have this particular line like this for every scenario, you see, it's a duplication, right? Instead of having this like this, what you do is you just move this step, which is common prerequisite step. Not only one step, there can be some situations where a scenario, these multiple scenarios have multiple common prerequisite steps. All such kind of steps you move under the background keyword. Okay, you don't have to repeatedly mention them in all the scenarios. Okay, now when you run it, first this step will run, then scenario steps will run. Then this step will run, scenario steps will run. Then this step will run, then scenario steps will run. So hope guys you got the idea and answer for this question. That is, what is background? Okay, I just write this capital B better. Okay, what is background and when it will be executed? Okay, so hope you got the answer for this question in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.